Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we explore the fascinating world of natural science. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to discover one of the most intriguing creatures in the animal kingdom, the Solenodon. To start, let's define what a Solenodon is. A Solenodon is a small insectivorous mammal that belongs to the family Solenodontidae. It's also known as a living fossil due to its unique characteristics that have remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. These amazing animals are found in the Caribbean, specifically in Cuba and Hispaniola, where they inhabit forests, grasslands, and other habitats. The Solenodon has a rich evolutionary history, with fossil records dating back to the Pleistocene era. The first scientific documentation of the Solenodon was made by the Spanish naturalist Felipe Poi in 1851. Since then, numerous studies have been conducted to understand the biology, behavior, and ecology of this fascinating creature. From a biological perspective, Solenodons are part of the order Eulipotiple, which also includes shrews and moles. They have a distinctive elongated snout, powerful front legs, and sharp claws that enable them to dig burrows and catch insects. Their diet consists mainly of invertebrates, such as worms, beetles, and ants, which they detect using their keen sense of smell. One of the most interesting aspects of Solenodon biology is their unique venomous saliva. They have specialized glands in their mouths that produce a toxic secretion, which helps them immobilize their prey. This adaptation is rare among mammals, making the Solenodon an important subject for scientific study. Research on Solenodons has revealed fascinating insights into their behavior and ecology. For example, studies have shown that they are primarily nocturnal, spending most of their time underground or in dense vegetation. They have poor eyesight, but possess sensitive whiskers that help them navigate their surroundings. In addition, Solenodons are known to form small family groups, typically consisting of a dominant male and female, which work together to defend their territory and hunt for food. Solenodons interact with other species in their environment in complex ways. They have been observed forming symbiotic relationships with certain bird species, such as the Cuban trogon, which follows them as they forage for insects and eats the parasites that live on their fur. This mutualistic relationship is a great example of how different species can work together to achieve common goals. Unfortunately, Solenodons are facing numerous threats in the wild, including habitat destruction, fragmentation, and degradation, as well as predation by introduced species like cats and dogs. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these amazing animals, but more needs to be done to ensure their survival. The loss of Solenodons could have significant cascading effects on Caribbean ecosystems, from the disruption of seed dispersal networks to the decline of other species that rely on them as a food source. As we conclude our journey into the world of Solenodons, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking insight. These incredible creatures remind us of the importance of preserving biodiversity and protecting ecosystems. By studying Solenodons and their unique adaptations, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of relationships that exists in nature and our responsibility to conserve it. In fact, recent research has highlighted the critical role that Solenodons play in maintaining ecosystem balance. A study published in the journal Conservation Biology found that Solenodons are essential seed dispersers for several plant species in the Caribbean, and their loss could lead to a decline in forest diversity. As we look to the future, it's essential that we continue to support research and conservation initiatives aimed at protecting these incredible animals. By working together, we can ensure that Solenodons continue to thrive in their natural habitat, and that future generations can marvel at their unique adaptations and fascinating behavior. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.